or Mohammed. Don't bear the names that I've accepted. They're the ones I'll be putting. Highest
Mine is off.
yeah, you get a 7,500. Three in this instance, and then star sign. November 24th of November, that falls in the Sagittarius. So
all right, welcome everybody. 2 grams of sardines, 2 kgs of sardines. Welcome everyone. 13th September over here. We're back at yet another New York session. What's this? People are sharing privileges. Average Americans don't even realize, and it's enlightening. Oh, having a pillow. All right. Let's take a look at the gulag over here. Blew my account yesterday. Awesome. Okay. Let's see what's going on here today. Pound yen is obviously moving bullish. Didn't really get a time to look at the charts earlier on during the Asian session. Got late for my leg day, so I had to run off to the gym to get my leg days in. All right, so we're moving up on gold. We're moving up on pound. Let's take a look at the Forex factory. See if we have anything over there. Rajaji, you said that you'll send me 150 through PayPal yesterday after the stream. I left my email on comments many times, but sure you no, because you lied. You were not the third person to comment, UN. You lied through your teeth. All right, so CPI. We got CPI over here. So yesterday's challenge was canceled. We're going to do another one later on. It's going to be for everybody. Zoom is going to be special, so we'll see. Anyway, oh, we got CPI over here. They're expecting okay numbers, 0.3. Last time it was 0.3 here as well. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, let's do some full analysis on pound yen. Let's remove everything and let's go towards the daily time frame. So whoever says how to do high time frame to low time frame analysis, this is how we do high time frame to lower time frame analysis. Salim said, "Hey coach, hey man." So the daily candles are coming up to a rejection area around 155. We have around 20 pips left till 155. The high was at 155, 130. Let's take a look on the weekly time frame. Weekly is also coming up. We went straight bullish here on the weekly time frame. This would have been an amazing 200 pip trade over here. Anyway, so let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hour, basically we created a support. If I was looking at the charts, I would have probably taken this buy for price to continue up to retest this high. Right, we formed support, we moved up, we had a resistance in the way, price broke above this resistance. Let's take a look to the left hand side. On the 4 hour, we have now we're entering in a consolidation area, right? We have a resistance right here in the 4 hour. This will be a 1 hour resistance, which we're going to take a look at here in a bit. And we're coming into a support. So now once price came between 154.830 and 155.130, it started to consolidate. So when we look to the left hand side, this is a block of consolidation. I think people call this order blocks. If I'm wrong, whatever. Okay, so we're coming up to that area. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour candles are coming up here as well. We're kind of rejecting this, so we're going to look to the left hand side and we'll see what that structure looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So moving on right here to the left hand side. Come on, man. All right, there we are. All right, so this is our resistance on the 1 hour time frame, and this was the support on the 1 hour time frame. So basically we're coming up to a very, very strong consolidation area. So I'm going to remove the zone because we want to see what that price action looks like right here. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, this is just a very, very tough price action at this point, because look at these wicks over here. Look at this exhaustion wick. Look at this exhaustion wick to the top side. Very, very tough price action. 15-minute is actually creating. So one question is, hey man, how do you determine whether to use support resistances on the 30-minute time frame versus the 15-minute time frame? So this is a really good example to answer that. If you look on the 30-minute, we see all these wicks over here. So we need to see what these wicks represent on the smaller time frame. So we switch to the 15-minute time frame. And this is where we can see, oh, okay, we have a resistance here on the 15-minute time frame. And this zone is all the way to the left, right? Oh, this way. It's all the way to the left from the 1 hour time frame. So this is why this is going to be like an 18-20 pip range over here. So then at the same time, we got a support here in the 15-minute time frame. And if we measure this area now, this is like a 23 pip range. It's just not good. You know, this whole range is just not good at all. The better range we have is probably going to be, I'd say, like below 154, 660, 13 pip area, right? This over here. But at this point, price action makes no sense at all, right? Because whenever you're going to take a trade, you have to see whether price action makes sense or whether the candles are forming the way you saw them form the last time you took a win, right? So if you look at the winning trade from yesterday, I think the winning trade from yesterday was somewhere over here, right? Yeah, somewhere over here. Yeah, it was right over here, I guess. No, it's right over here. Right here. Somewhere right here. Price moved up, broke the high, took buys and moved up. Yeah. Right. So this sort of scenario is not happening at this point where price is just consolidating. So I'm going to go ahead and be a disciplined trader and I'm going to call it a no trade range right here. All right, let's take a look at retest of 500. Yeah, I mean, if you do break below 154, 680, then we can say we're going to retest that area because this is a rejection on the 30-minute time frame. So we'll see how price forms. Let's take a look at gold over here. Remove all analysis, go to the weekly, and weekly is coming up over here. Now weekly is interesting. Now someone sent the chart yesterday on the weekly time frame, and this is what we were looking at, right? If this is a support on the weekly time frame, this candle broke support, closed below support, let's say 1760, same thing below 1760, 1760, 1760, and now we're coming up into this range. So if we're coming up into this range, maybe this move down was like a big liquidity grab or I'd say what's the word, fake out for price to continue up towards maybe, like, you know, 1781. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily is coming up here as well. This daily candle has broken the high of the previous daily candle. There's a possibility to continue up till 1781, but also remember we have CPI here coming up in 2 hours. My computer clock is still New York time, so that's pretty good. All right, 4 hour is coming up. Now here's the thing, when you're looking on the 4 hour candle, of course price can move up on the 4 hour candle, but you also got to look at it from a perspective of, okay, we started buying, well, price started moving bullish from 1761.65. So this means we've already moved this much all the way up. So if you measure this range, this is like almost like, you know, 84 pips at this point. So we've basically missed out on this move. I mean, I've missed out on this move. So looking on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour is still bullish, you know, 30 minute is still bullish. So I think this was the move right here above 1768. Yeah, this was a pretty good move here, 24, 25 pips at this point. So, I mean, I just want to see price to come down, create some sort of a support, and then move right back up. That's what I would want to see. Yeah, that's what I would want to see, you know. Or even if we can break below this support, then we can have a correction all the way down till 1763, which is the correction of this move up. That's something I'm going to be waiting for, you know. But at this point, I think the move has been missed. If we break the high right here at 1771 and move up, that's totally fine. I'm going to be okay to miss that trade because, you know, as a good trader, you should be able to take good entries. And this will be a very, very bad entry because it's going to be at the very, very high. And this is where you're going to be just saying that, okay, well, I hope it continues moving. So, you know, just got to be very careful. राजा भाई इंडिया कब आएंगे प्लान है इंडिया कब आने का प्लान है when are my plans to come to India? I don't know, maybe next year. I'm not sure what to expect from India, but hey, I have a Canadian passport, I can go to India. Yeah, we'll see. These are my snacks for the New York session. Kokomo मुझे भी दो. Be quick if you buy only 10 pips. Yeah, I'll just wait. I'll wait for some sort of a correction, support form, and then move up. So I'm probably going to wait for something like this price to come down, create some sort of a level of a support, and then continue pushing back up. Please, could you explain how to place buy stops and sell stops level during volatile news event? How can be risk managed? You can't manage risk and buy stops and sell stops on news. You can't. It's impossible. Why don't you start at 6 a.m.? You explained in your older video tutorial because I'm busy at that time. मैं आपको live. I want to see you live in India. Okay. Maybe, yeah, maybe we'll make a decision. You know, it's a pretty cool place. We'll see. How come you don't use trend lines? Because I don't use trend lines because I think in the past they have contradicted with my zones, and when they contradict with zones, I don't know. I try to use only one analysis, one analysis, price action with volume and candles, and that's what works for me so far. Are we using the same straddle strategy for today's announcements? Hey, we'll see. If it works, it works. You don't really need trend line when you know the trend. That's correct too. Make a plaza in India. I have more fans in India than in Pakistan, I'll be honest. Let's see here. Yeah. Pound yen is just consolidating over here. Look at a 15-minute time frame, just consolidating, no trade range. Let's take a look at the Chinese indicator over here, the super secret Chinese indicator. This is saying dollar is weak, pound is strong, yen is weak, which may mean that pound yen should continue bullish and the dollar should weaken. Interesting. Should we do a boot camp in India, New Delhi? Delhi. 21 million people in Delhi, in this city. Like 30 million people in Canada, 33 million. Jesus. In Asia, people reproduce like rabbits, man. It's true because I'm learning from you. Awesome. Keep in workshop in India. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe in March. We'll see. All right. Tampering by the Fed starts in October until Q1 2022. Yeah, I think, I was watching this documentary where they were talking about decreasing the interest rate so far. So I don't know. Hey man, could you go through the way you have caught buys on GJ and gold in London session? Yeah, I think not in. Yeah, gold would have been right over here. Once we broke above these highs, 1763, this would have been amazing move because this also happened during London session. 30 minutes after London opened, we broke above this high. We have clean candle to the left hand side. These would have been picture perfect buys right here. Picture perfect buys. How about South Punjab? South Punjab यार बहुत दूर है South Punjab. South Punjab जहाज ही नहीं जाता कोई. तो लाहौर के बाद देखते हैं. लाहौर के बाद. All right, yeah. So let's see here. We're just waiting over here now. But that's something normal Democrats are. Let's see what the news events were that pushed prices up over here. Australia government spent 250,000 covering up French submarine deal. Oh, and impact on output in the UK economy. Corona and impact index construction output. Nothing really that's catching my eye. What I'm looking for here is any red folder news event that could have moved price, but there's nothing like that here. So yeah, just have to wait here for gold. Wait for a little bit of a retracement and then possible buys after that. Someone said if you built the Raja Plaza in India, these guys will be waiting in the front door asking, should I get in? Is this a good place for Indian people? Just say people ask. They message me, hey man, Dominion Markets, you think it's good for Indian people? Like, bro. That's a good joke. How to know their support is being made. The best way to know support is being made is going to be if we have a candle, let's say, come down like this, right? Come down like this. And then if we can come down more like this, and the candles are coming down, and then we have a candle that forms, let's say, something like this, right? So then this will be your support formed. And then we can anticipate the next candle to continue bullish with volume. You know, so that's what I want to see. I want to see a retracement, and then I want to see a support form so that I can take a much more informed and a confident trade. See, we're breaking the high over here now of the previous candle. If it goes up, it goes up. You know, it's cool. I'm okay with that. But I really want to see some sort of a retracement. All right, let's see this. Can you please show the live charts website again for the strength currencies? I'm sorry, it's a Chinese indicator. I'm in gold buy at 1768. Oh, nice, amazing. What buy stop and sell stop levels are you looking today? I'm not sure. We have to wait for price to form at that point. What about the 15-minute on gold is breaking the high? Yeah, but it's just, to me, it has already moved so much, so I really wanted to get in the price right down over here. This one, you know, if it moves, it moves. I'm totally fine with that, but I really want to see some sort of a retracement, or I want to see price set up for CPI, and then I'm just going to take the CPI trade here today. Let's open the MetaTrader. Yeah, no trades today. Your favorite trade, will never forget that trade in life. Awesome. Yes, we'll see. We'll see. I've seen your videos on support resistance zones. The only thing I'm getting confused is time frames. Could you please make it simple to understand? My videos are way too simple to understand. Very, very simple to understand. You just got to do some practice. Do you watch Bollywood movies? No, I haven't watched a movie in about 3 weeks. Last one I watched was started watching that movie The Starling 2 days ago, yesterday, The Starling, and then I lost interest. It's about the bird that keeps attacking this fat lady, and then she tries to kill the bird. Got pretty boring. Oh wow, look at that. We're moving up over here. Yeah, The Starling. The Good Doctor is a pretty good show too. Been watching that as well. The Good Doctor. You like James Bond? Yeah, it's pretty good. James Bond. Can you tell the battery's timing? Can anyone tell the battery timing of Magic Keys? My battery is still running on Magic Keys. I got this Magic Keys once it came out, the new version, and yeah, the battery is still running. You can see that blue light right there, still running. Haven't charged it. Charged it only once. Have you watched Squid Games? Yes. Raja, based on your style, as the price already broke above the previous resistance on the 30-minute and next breaking the high, shouldn't we enter on that? Shouldn't we? Well, you can enter on that, but that's what I said. I mean, if we have already moved this much, my whole idea is I wanted to get in the trade somewhere down over here. you know, and I didn't get that entry. I missed that entry. And if we're breaking above this area, I'm just not confident enough how far this is going to continue moving. I mean, we can look through the left-hand side. Let's take a look through the left-hand side, right? Left-hand side, we have all this clean traffic till 1772. We have this rejection area till 1773, 1774. We can come into that area, but we have already moved so much on the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure which level is price going to start retracing, you know, and wherever it's going to start retracing and form a support, that's where I want to take a buy. Just like right over here, right? Look, price moved up, came down, retraced, created support, moved up. So that's what I want to see, for price to retrace, create support, I enter a buy, and then win a trade. All right here, someone's taking buys over here as price breaks the high, you know, so be it. Awesome. Look, we've already moved like 14 pips over here. That's pretty awesome, you know, but me, I'm just going to wait for some sort of a retracement, and then I'm going to enter a buy. But yeah, we have clean traffic all the way till 1775. Like a month ago, we'd all have the same bias on gold, but now there are so many contradictory factors moving gold. Yeah, mostly fundamental, but like technical wise, wow, man, look at this. This is just pushing super hard over here. Pretty nice. Moved about 20 pips over here. Aapki favorite trade? You will never forget that trade in life. My favorite trade was the 100 pip trade I had on my 100 lots a couple of weeks ago. That was a pretty good mental barrier I broke. Let's see here. Will you be trading FOMC tonight? Sure. No. No. Wow, this is really pushing over here now. 23, 24 pips. So yeah, we'll see how price sets up for CPI. How to track clean candle? I confuse sometimes, because if you see more left, there's some resistance. Well, if you look left over here, you have clean candles. I'm not sure where you see resistance. So resistance is right up over here, 1779, 1780. That's where you see that resistance. Did Daniel really blow his PAM account with 150K in it? There's a rumor EA did it, but I don't know what happened. I just don't trust EAs. I don't trust the way some people run their systems, stuff like that. I don't know. Trade is over. Don't enter anymore. Leave your runner. Yes, that's true. I'm not entering anything right here. I don't think anyone should be entering right over here as well. Because if you're buying at the high at this point. You know. What happened to the 150 price yesterday? That price went up in dust yesterday. There was a lot of confusion, so it didn't happen. Yesterday you came in my dream and we were trading together. Wow. Zubair Sheikh Fitness. Amazing. If I knew what you look like, then maybe we can work out together in my dream. Kindly share your MT5 settings. Okay, let's do this. Share my MT5 settings. I'm not sure what good this is going to do, but here, screenshot this. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot this. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot this. Good day, Mr. Raja. I love the way you trade. Thank you. What time zone does MT5 shows? Does it depend on broker? Yes, it does depend on broker. Actually, it depends on the liquidity provider. You still friends with Kerwin? Yes, of course. Of course. Why is there people sleeping in your gym? Because they live over there. Let's do the new game. New game tomorrow. Okay. All right. Pound yen is still ranging at this point. How did you change lot size after you open trade? You don't change lot size after you open the trade. The lot size stays the same. What kind of a dumbass questions are these, man? You guys are every day the gulag reaches a new high of idiocy and stupidity. I don't know where this comes from. How can you change lot size when you open a trade? Jesus. My God. Why are you trading? Who told you to? This is just insane. What's the exact price to trade in that condition? I don't know. Did you enter gold? No. Oh my God, man. Raja's in a good mood. I was in a good mood. Probably not right now. Raja's in a good mood. Oh my God. All right. 154, 680. Closing partials? Yeah, maybe closing partials. Maybe. But has to be a exact specific question. Exact specific question. Can you give the Insta of that watch, sir? What? Insta of that watch, sir, from Dubai? I have no idea who that watch guy is from Dubai. You sure you didn't enter gold? No, I did not. You can look right here. My terminal says, oh, no trades. Nothing. Haven't traded anything over here. Gold, nothing. Just straight bomba cloth thing going right up. Going straight bullish over here. Nothing. Waiting. I think GJ trying to drop down from the daily resistance. Yeah, I think so too, because we're at a very, very strong rejection zone on the daily time frame, looking to the left hand side. A very strong rejection zone. So we would need price to break below, 154, 650. 23 pip range over here. The candle is also about to close. I'd want to see the next candle on the 30-minute time frame. I'd want to see it wick up, come down, break below 154, 650, and then take a sell to continue pushing bearish. That's what I want to see. Wick up, break below 154, 650, and then push all the way down to 154. Let's say 500 would be pretty good as well. Yeah. Should be pretty good. Can I join, Mr.? I don't have broker. I'm from Indonesia. You'll have to write a formal letter to Dominion Markets and asking permission. Can you give 10K borrow? No. How do I enter a trade? Hit buy or sell. Bring back the neon Raja Bank sign. It's being made. I'm not wrong. I saw you open a trade with 25 lot, then trade going opposite. Then you reduce to 10 lots. If I'm wrong, sorry, I was confused. Oh, that's what you're asking. Okay, yeah, it's called closing partial positions. So you can Google how to close partial positions. Just Google how to close partial positions, and you can know the answer. Or you can get one of these magic keys. You can close partial positions with this as well. Have you done a video on the confirmations you check when entering a trade? Yes. My live streams. All live streams are just confirmations to enter a trade. Right now I'm looking for confirmations to enter the sell below 154, 650 on pound yen. 154, 650. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. 154, 650. This program is sponsored by Magic Keys. Yes. How do you search Google? When can you come to Australia for a seminar? Australia is far, far, far away. And Australia has so much BS happening with the whole, this new disease. It's unbelievable. It's just 10 steps out of Canada, man. And I escaped Canada. I escaped Canada because of that. And Australia is on a whole new level, man. So I don't know, Australia, I'm not sure. Maybe Thailand or Indonesia, but Australia, just bad. A lot of people tell me just super, super bad. I can confirm I'm in Melbourne. Yeah. You know, if it was up to them, they would have just locked down the internet too. Oh, the disease can go through the internet. Have you ever thought about coming to Singapore instead to teach? Yes, there are a lot of plans for next year, so we'll see. Let's see here. Protests are not on TV. Oh. Do you ship Magic Keys to Vietnam? Yes. My switch button does not work. Is there an alternative way to switch it to sell calc? Thanks. I think switch it to sell calc. I'm not sure. Switch button. Oh, switch button. This one. Yeah, you can. You can basically move those stop loss and take profit thing up and down, like over the price, and then it's going to do that. But switch button should be, try uninstalling everything and install it back up again. Do you trade much outside of your live streams? Sometimes when I see a good position happening during London session, I may take it, provided that there would be a high probability to continue throughout the New York session. I do, yes. How did you immigrate to Canada as self-employed? No, it was my father who did that. In Business Investors Program, you can Google that. Will you go for a buy on GJ if current 15-minute candle closed bullish? If the current 15-minute candle closed bullish, will I go for a buy? Is this enough range? No, I wouldn't. This is not enough range. Because if I'm going to go for a buy, then the next 15-minute candle has to break above this area because it's in a consolidation area, so we need that confirmation. And that's only like a 13 pip range minus 1.5 pip spread becomes like 11 pip range, so no. Then I'm probably going to wait for price to break above 154.900. So you got to be very, very patient. You know, some people say that, hey, I'm going to take this trade which has a risky confirmation opposed to a trade which has a low risk confirmation, you know, and I just say just wait for the low risk confirmation. You're going to be better off at that, you know, and it's okay whether you miss the trade. It's no problems at all. Since 4 hour has 2 hours left, what if the hour closes bullish? Would you look for buys on the next 1 hour because we would be making a high on the 4 hour support forming the retest of the high? Yeah, we'll see. If the hour closes bullish, then we're going to talk about that. Then we're going to talk about that because anything can happen at that time. So at this time, we're just waiting. Come to Florida? Yes. I like Florida. Miami? Amazing. I just got my 3rd vaccination. I'm feeling good. Good job, man. Good job. Very nice. I feel like if I just saying good job to these things, YouTube will say, perfect. We love this guy. So good job. 2 thumbs up. Yeah. Let's keep everyone safe all around us. Maintain 6 feet distance with each other. Beautiful. Good job. Hey Raja, when trading specific market sessions and looking for certain patterns that occur regularly, what type of patterns should one look for? Look for something that you see. Okay, so let's take a look at this, right? Let's say you want to take a trade, let's say you come to the charts and you were late and you see these candles move up and you're saying to yourself, okay, these were my trading candles. And if these were your trading candles, so what you got to do is you have to look at where did these candles begin, right? Obviously, these candles begin right over here. And then you got to take a look at this and say that, okay, how could I have positioned myself to ride this move up. The key word is how could you have positioned yourself to ride this move up? And then you start to do investigation that, okay, how could I have been, in a position where I could have taken a trade above this high or above this high to take this trade right here. When you solve this question for yourself, then you're going to say to yourself, okay, you know what? I'm going to look for the same opportunity the next day. And then you start to look at what time it happened, was there volume, how many pips it moved, did we have clean traffic to the left-hand side, did it even make sense, So those are things then you start to look at when you're looking for patterns. It's way better, that's the way I stopped trading gold. Okay, we can get 1500. That's not all. Simple analysis on GJ, waiting for opportunity. Let's take a look at this chart over here. First chart here of the evening. We'll sell once you close below. Yes. And buys above this area. This is exactly what I'm looking for, Mr. Julian Man. Exactly what I'm looking for. Oh, Wali Baba trading with one lots. Oh. Wali Baba's trading with one lots today. Nice. Very nice.
Have you ever wondered
Wali Baba about to make some money. No, he's not. Come on. Why are you lying, man? Got happy a little bit. Does Magic Key work on 1.74 version, or do we need to download the new version? Download the new version. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Baji FOMC tonight? Question mark. Are you asking me if there's FOMC? Or are you asking me, am I trading FOMC? There's a difference. There's a difference between the two. One of those questions is going to lead to a roast, and one of those questions is going to lead to an answer. Am I going to trade FOMC? No. Is there FOMC? Look at forexfactory.com. Johnny 4X, is market fluidity on Forex family different from when it's being paid? For being paid, I don't know if anyone's being paid or not. Is there an issue with Magic Keys forum? No, Magic Keys forum works very well. For GJ buys, are you ignoring the range to the left hand side? Expect price to close above 900 to break it with clean move? Yes, expecting it to break above 900. Look at USD JPY. Please send a chart and we can look at that. Oh, what's this? Magic Keys form is down. Okay, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at the community forum. Oh, it is down. Okay, we're probably gonna get this up. Yeah, I just pinged the team over there to see what's happening. Maybe they're down for maintenance or something. Okay, let's see here. 3 more minutes until candle close. Let's go. Yeah, Raja, I don't know why, but I don't think my comments are showing. Will you tell me if you see this? Yes, I do. But I just can't read every comment. What's your thoughts about gold today? My thoughts on gold are they are based on CPI. We're doing a pullback at this time. This is what I was anticipating. We're doing a pullback. If we can create a support, I think we can continue pushing up. So we'll see. If gold goes up, oil goes down, I have no idea. I don't think so. if gold goes up, oil goes down? Question mark. What has crude oil to do with gold prices? Economic Times. Oh, website is broken. Yeah, I don't think they have any correlation, or I don't think they're even contradicted each other at all. How does the price of oil affect price of gold? I don't think they do. Nothing. Fuel is a big part of gold mining production cost. Therefore, high crude prices keeps gold fair valuation lifted unless than it has no major correlation at all. Did you enter gold already? No. If I buy microfluidity, I will have your strategy inside. No. Yesterday I was the first to send that I'm the best, and I sent you a DM on Instagram to prove I was first. Can you check your DM requests? FF Trader. You can scam everyone else, but you can't scam the recording. You can't scam the recording. So look, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look over here. Look at this. Boss Cohen was the first one, right? It says right there. BM Gaming TV, Baby Mama Gaming TV, he fucked up. He was the second one. Then Drax Lennox was the third one. You're not even, yeah, you are in fourth, fifth, right over here. Yeah, so we're gonna send you to the gulag of the gulag. It's right here. See this? All right. Vultures, man. Vultures. It's $100. It's not a big deal. How many candles should be formed at a certain level for it to be considered one? In an uptrend, it doesn't depend how many candles. It depends what time you're looking at, or it depends what time frame candle you're looking at. So I would say maybe a 30-minute candle, one 30-minute candle forming a support at a high volume time would be enough for me to execute a buy. Is there any way we can trade USD PKR? No, you can't. No, you can't. USD PKR is a straight bullish chart. Look at this. Look at these wicks over here. Look at the weekly. It's a straight bullish chart. Look at this. It's insane. Look, straight bullish run. Like, Pakistan was doing really well over here for weeks, stable, and then boom, stable, boom, stable, boom. Had a little retracement to 152, and then this is when we came to Pakistan, you know, right here, around May or June. Yeah, PKR is very volatile. All right, is it excess money printing? Yeah, it's just dumb decisions by the government. That's all what it is. Just dumb decisions by the government. Gold now closed bearish on 15-minute. What do you want to see? I want to look for a support form on a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I want to look for a support form on a 30-minute time frame, and then we can take a buy for price to continue up. Do you pay taxes in Canada or Pakistan? For the amounts that come into Pakistan over here, and the rest in Canada. All right, pound yen is still consolidating. Nothing to do, nothing to see. I just resigned from a 9 to 5 yesterday. We'll be looking for full-time trading from November mid. Oh boy. Every day when I look at the market, I feel like I would have made money today and I missed. It's gonna give it a try. Man, you effed up. So basically what you did is it's in our language, what we say is that you hit the axe on your own foot. You put your foot outside or you put your hand. Actually, this is what you did. You put your hand right here and then you chopped it. You chopped your hand because you basically stopped a consistent income coming in and you substituted that with a inconsistent income. That's bad. I don't even know how you think that's a good idea unless you have 1 year or a year and a half worth of bills saved up somewhere. But I think that's a very, very bad idea. You want to get your channel blocked again? Then you're going to change rims on your Toyota Fortuner. I'm looking for a time. What watch are you wearing? This one is a Tissot. It's a Tissot. It was a gift. Yeah, it's a cool watch. I like it. Tissot. See how much is this Tissot? Tissot C-Star. Tissot C-Star with a rubber bracelet, rubber band. Tissot C-Star. Oh yeah, this one right here. Tissot. Tissot C-Star. No, it's not this one. It's the one with multiple dials. Oh yeah, this one right here. Tissot C-Star. Yeah, exactly this one. I wonder how much is this. This is, let's see. Oh, $595, not bad. Pretty cool watch. Good looking watch. 500 bucks, 600 bucks. Everyone is a godly trader when they scroll back and say, oh, I would have taken that trade. Yeah, I think the biggest problem traders have is executing on something that they know has a high probability of winning. I believe 80% of the traders out there, they can spot a really good trade, but something in them does not let them execute. You know, that used to happen to me as well. I would spot a really good trade and I would say, okay, should I execute or should I wait for a little bit more confirmation or a little bit more move? And as I would wait for that little move, price would move and my trade would go, and then I would enter late. And when I would enter late, price would retrace and I'd have a loss, you know. And then I would say, oh shit, man, I should have entered earlier. So I think that all comes with confidence, you know, lack of confidence. Is selling gold and pound at the same time a bad idea? I don't think so. If the price action makes sense, then it makes sense. But right now, there are no sells on gold. There are no sells on pound yen. When using magic keys, let's say you have the positions open at different prices. Can you take partials on a single position? Yes. What's this over here? When will you have the lifetime course available again? It's still available, but I think the intake is going to be at the end of December. Is it a bad idea to put buy stops and sell stops on news? Yes. If you have no stop loss, if you don't know what you're doing, it's a bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Yeah, Packers PKR USD is on its way to tap into 200. Yeah, tap into 200 over here. USD Lira. Oh. Oh. USD TRK. Is it TRK? No. USD TKR. Turkish. No. Oh. USD TRY. There we go. Oh, damn. This is just... It's been bullish since the start of time. Since 2008. It's just been going up and up and up and up. Raja, you're missing the sell. That's fine. That's fine. Just got funded on FTMO. Will be buying your course when I make withdrawal. You could have just bought the course with the amount of money you spent on FTMO, because FTMO says it. They say 90% of people, they do withdrawals. So you need to be a super trader to do a withdrawal and be in that top 10%. I'm going to be buying pound yen if the next 30-minute candle breaks below 154.650. Or even if this one breaks below 154.650. That's when I'm going to be buying pound yen, to see if we're going to continue down here or not. 154.650. Been eyeing this for some time here now. We're at 679, 678. Oh, nice buys over here on gold. Beautiful. Oh, selling. Yeah, selling. I'm going to be selling at 154.650 on pound yen. 154.650. भाई कहाँ से लेते हैं ये पेशेंस? राजा बाजार आ जाए, वहाँ पेशेंस बहुत बिकता है, पेशेंस उधर. Why not do copy trading? 50k to 1m, we will be rich. Sorry. Do you draw trend lines? What about Fibonacci retracement? I don't do that. Do you sell signals? No, I don't. What's your Instagram name and how can I buy your course? I don't know about the course, but my Instagram name is right over here. First of all, it's in my description. And I'll put it right over here as well. All right. We got 6 minutes left here for the candle to close. Gold is also kind of like, you know, in the middle of a situation over here. Guys, remember, only judge a candle after it has closed. That is correct. So you are not waiting for confirmation of the close of the candle if it goes below. Yeah, it's going to be I'll see. Ideally, I want to wait and I want to see this candle to close like this, right? If it closes like this, then I want to see the next candle to form like this. This is how I want to see things happen, and that's going to be my trading candle. That's going to be the picture perfect trade right there. So I'm visualizing it in my head right now, literally visualizing it in my head. If that happens, boom, I'm entering 50 lots here today. Order blocks are best. Awesome. When you first start trading, was it your intention to teach people? No. But now I really enjoy it, you know. I'm trying to cut down on it a lot, but yeah, it's pretty good. Look at this. Starting at $54 a month. If you can't afford it, you can pay $54 a month and then you can afford it that way. Crazy. I think you should just be able to buy things cash. If you can't afford it, you can't afford it. Don't go on payments. Yeah, I can't afford it, don't buy it. I'm not learning a damn thing in these streams. Well, David Johnson, you can just leave. How can I learn your strategy? You can't. Well, you can. It's very easy. I just explained it, what I'm looking for over here. 30-minute candle still open over here. This means we're creating a resistance here. We've created a high at 70.73, so we'll have to wait. Soon you'll be able to buy Meher on finance plans. How can I follow in PAM account in Dominion Markets? It's called C'est la vie, but it's in drawdown at this point. What is this with these watches? They seem to be the new cars. You guys don't understand. You know what I'm after? I'm after this one. This is what I'm after. This one right here. This gold Daytona with the green dial. This is crazy. Discontinued? No, it's not discontinued yet. Not yet. They haven't discontinued it yet. Yeah, Daytona gold green dial. It's crazy. This came out as $34,000. It's like up towards $80,000 right now. And I think by December it's going to go to 100,000. Insane. But you can't buy it from the Rolex store either because you got to be on the wish list. And it's long. It's long. Wish list is crazy long at this point. Yeah, look at the 78,000, 87,000, 86,000, 90,000, and 64. Oh, 64th. Yes, the gold one. Yes, insane. It's going to 100,000. This one, yeah. I think they only made 50 of these. 50, something like this. 50 of these. All right, so we got around like a minute left over here now. 1 minute left. You should friend with a salesman. Actually, a sales guy told me they're releasing a date just for steel date just, silver bezel, silver and black bezel. So we'll see. Why are you looking for exact bullish close? I'm not looking for exact bullish close. I'm just anticipating a bullish close so that next one can break the low and I can take a sell. How big is this stop loss going to be? This will be a let's see here. Yeah, man, this is going to be an insane move. This stop is going to be 13, 14 pip stop. All right, mates, are we ready? Hey. Hey-ya. And this is Forex education stream. David, just leave. David in the gulag over there, just leave, man. I don't want you here. You don't want to be here. You're still sticking around. Just go. Leave right now. Leave. I can do these streams alone. All right, there we go. Candle's about to close over here in about a few seconds. All right. Below 154.650. May want to do impulse entries over here. The perfect music is on. The perfect anxiety music. Oh, candle closed with no wick. Ah, it's a problem. That is a problem. So yeah, that's a problem. So the candle closed with no wick. This means there's no range for the next candle to move. So what I may want to do is I may want to wait for this candle to wick up, break the low, and then take the trade, right? Because it closed with no wick. Oh man, come on. What's gold doing over here? Gold is just playing around. Yeah, look at that 30-minute candle time frame. Creating a resistance right here. 15-minute, nothing much. How big is this range over here? That's like a 15 pip range. Yeah. I'm 23. I've been working for the last 8 months. Have some savings and confident that I will succeed. Been looking at markets for the last 2 years and sometimes took entries. Oh, nice, man. Good luck. I wish you the best of luck. We also have news in about an hour. Yeah. We also have news in about an hour. We'll see how well that pays out. All right, coming down 154.650, 1 hour time frame coming down, 30 minutes coming down, 15 minute. Ooh, not happened. Didn't happen, moved up. What's this? Do they have fake followers over here? What's happening over here? Oh, let's take a look over here. It's a private link someone sent me. Let's take a look. This is FX Live Capital. FX Live Capital. Oh wow, 61,000 followers. Yeah, that's fake, 100% fake. When was the first post? 17 weeks ago, 61,000 followers. This post was 12 weeks ago. Yeah, 100% fake. 100% fake. Bot followers. I don't know. I don't know why people do this. 61,000 followers, 100 likes, 90 likes. 100% fake. I don't know why companies do this, man. It's just insane. Yeah, so we'll have to wait for price to break below here again. So funny that a candle can touch your entry and bounce all the way back up. Yeah, that's true. There's no volume in the market so far. That's correct. No volume in the market. Was really expecting it to, you know, it is what it is. We'll see. That's Daniel's company. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. People should just do honest business. People should do honest business. You know, if someone can do honest business, you're going to stay in business for a very, very, very long time. Oh, we have Josh over there. Welcome, Josh, with his 10,000 screens. Okay. Small loss in GJ. Yeah, GJ wasn't a sell at all at that point. You know, you can update any data shown on internet. That's correct. How can I use my commissions in Dominion Markets to buy magic keys? Email, send an email to incentives@dominionmarkets.com, and then they'll tell you how to go about that. Please, how can we trade CPI news? You can trade CPI news at 8:30 in about an hour. What does your horizontal line means? This basically meant a support, but now I guess, I mean, it's just ranging at this point. Oh, look at that, moving up over here. Yeah, see, candle closed with no wick at the bottom. Wanted it to wick up and then break down. Didn't happen, you know. Some traders were in sells on some brokers. Oh, okay. Would you keep stops above the previous 30-minute candle and move them to a lower if we continue to downside? If we break the low now at this point, since it's moved up, the stop loss is going to go above this candle, wherever this wick is going to be. MT5 standard or pro account. If it will go down, will you sell it? Yes. I guess if you wait for the one I can to close below support, that's going to make sense as well. Can you provide something new information regarding investments? Some new information regarding investments? See, I'm not sure if this is going to be a good idea, but I've been binge watching this channel over here. Timepiece Gentlemen. I've been binge watching this channel right here. I've been watching these videos. These videos, these are an hour long. I've been watching these videos, like binge watching them. Look, full video, full video, full video, full video right here, full video here, full video here. I've been watching these videos, and by watching these videos, I'm slowly 70% I'm moving into investments in watches, you know, just watching these videos. So if you got a couple $100,000 laying around, you know, you just invest in some watches. So yeah, that's, or buy land, you know, buy land, or I mean, just, yeah, buy land or build something. All right, gold's moving up over here. 30-minute resistance right here. If we break this area, I think we're going to continue pushing bullish. So we'll see. Are you going to buy the Daytona Rainbow like Anthony? No, it's too expensive right now. My first, yeah, it's too expensive right now. We'll see. I shoot videos for him in Texas. I can find this for you easy. Well, if you can, let me know. I talked to that guy over there, Alfred. I talked to Alfred, and he gave me a price way too high. Holy, I'm like, man, forget about it. Alfred, would you say gold shot up now expecting CPI to drop back down. I'm not sure. I mean, they're expecting the same numbers as last time. Core CPI, they're expecting better numbers. So if they're expecting better numbers, gold should move down. So I don't know if this is a liquidity grab to push down or what it is. So we'll have to wait. Have you seen Pejam Gadimi? He has a watch trading course. What? Watch trading course? Wow. Man, you guys surprise me every time. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know him. I follow him on Instagram. He's got some really good videos. He's got some really good videos on cars. Yeah, I know him. Pejam Gadimi. Yeah, I know this guy. Couldn't that be an opportunity to take buys to retest the high on GJ? Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's enough. It's just consolidating. Very tough. Very tough. You know, so I'm gonna wait over here above this area, 73.50. Let's look to the left hand side here. Yeah, we have clean candles above that area. Kevin J caught it on the 1 minute. Awesome, beautiful. So CPI is in an hour. We'll have to wait.
Oh, it is. What do you want, mate? What? I went to make out some upscale and the car in the park and pop the sheet on that, mate. Just take a short break while I fill this ticket then. Put a cauliflower.
DJ about to drop.
Oh, all right. We're back in business here. All right, let's take it back. Okay.
Yeah, and gold is doing what we said yesterday. You noticed?
About to break above this area at 70.73. The only problem is there's a rejection right here. 4 pips away. And then we got a potential continuation down. 1 hour candle is also about to close. There's a possible situation right here to the left hand side. I'll wait. If it forms support, buy would be a good idea. The next, no, I don't think so, because on a 15-minute time frame, there's a lot of consolidation. Look on the 15-minute, just a lot of consolidation. What's going to be better? Yeah, I'm going to wait for this 30-minute candle to close, even this 15-minute candle to close. If I miss it, I miss it. You know, we got CPI later. But gold, I think it's going to be pretty good before CPI. Above this area. The next 15-minute candle is going to be much better. Very tough today, man. Been waiting for so long. Extremely tough. Pound yen price is also at 154.680 now. Haven't really gone back to 660. Not even close to 650. Yeah, we'll have to wait. The gazelle today is hungry. How are you feeling about EU? You'll have to send a chart on EU so we can take a look. Yeah, just waiting. Gold looking sell for FOMC? Sure. I mean, sure. Looking at your crystal ball. Do you guys celebrate Halloween in the Middle East? No. I mean, we got some parties here and there for Halloween, but I mean, people do dress up here. They don't go trick-or-treating. They just have parties here and there. Caught GU buy, looking for a new high to form. Very nice. Hey Raja, do you ever fast? Yes, I'm fasting right now. I didn't eat anything for the last hour. I think it's a deciding day for gold. Yes, it is. We got CPI and FOMC later on. Yeah, let's just see. Very tough. What are you going to dress up as? I don't have time for that. I'm not going to dress up as anything. As a goat. All right, mates. 2 minutes left for 15-minute candle to close. NY open also coming up. Very, very deciding moment right here for gold at this point, mates. Wow, 4 hours straight bullish, 30-minute also bullish. Holy. Wow, very, very deciding moment here for gold. Will they very deciding moment for gold. So close. So close in pulling the trigger. GJ is just whatever. Gold so close pulling the trigger. What time frame do you suggest trading on? I always catch myself trading on low time frames and get faked out. Trade on the monthly time frame. Be a man. I still see gold is bearish on a weekly base and will retest again. Oh, nice. If we do retest, awesome. Oh, wow. Look at that. What a great, wow. What an entertainment here in gold. Super, super entertaining. I was about to enter a buy. Damn. Gold said, no, not today. All right, let's take a look at this. It must be going up. Bullish correction. Waiting on a break. Yeah, I mean, the idea is to come up towards 1781. Now, whether that happens with CPI or that happens with FOMC, that's something we don't know yet. Wow, gold just rejected that area. Oh, look at this. The disease ends in Pakistan. Yes. Yes. It ends. Now we're going to have the flu. Magically, flu is going to come back. Man, oh man. $17.78 is going to be decision maker. We got a new member in the gulag. Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, 1778, yes. Big resistance right there. Eric Rivera for YouTube channel for watches. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I was watching his video here just before the live stream. He's from Miami. All right, let's see what he's doing.
तो चलें जी चलते हैं.
Okay, let's
यार
go.
ये मक्खी जो है ना बड़ी तंग करती है. मक्खियाँ.
He's like, man, this fly, man.
अच्छा, हालांकि एक मक्खी आई है यहाँ पे
There's
कोई
only-
गंद भी नहीं है.
There's only one
आज
fly.
आपको बड़ी मजे की बात
There's no
बताऊं.
trash. Let me tell you something very good.
अक्सर हम लोग सोचते हैं काफी
Sometimes
लोग
we
इस जगह पे हम
think-
बैठे हो कि यार ये मक्खी क्यों
Sometimes we
पैदा
think,
होगी? अल्लाह
why
ने
did this
मक्खी
fly
क्यों
get born?
ये
Why?
तो एक तो ये जो होता है ना मच्छर के मुतालिक कहते हैं कि
This,
यार
you
ये
know,
जो मच्छर है
Like a mosquito.
ये क्यों पैदा
When you
होगा?
have this mosquito, why was the mosquito born?
इसका क्या फायदा है?
What's
ये
the
क्यों-
purpose of a
याद रखिए,
mosquito?
मच्छर जो होता है
And
ना,
remember this, okay? The
ये
mosquito,
हमेशा इंसान को
It-
जब ये काटता है ना
every
तो
time it
sign होता है
bites
खुदा
a
की तरफ से कि गफलत
human,
की नींद मत सो.
that's a sign that
गफलत यानी बेहोश होके नहीं सोना,
that don't sleep
ये सिर्फ
in
साइंस है।
ghaflat.
जब अभी तो हमने इतने इंतजामात कर लिए, इन बेचारों को मार दिया हमने।
I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say it in English. All right. Oh yeah, nothing so far right here. Nothing so far right. Oh, talking about a mosquito. There was a mosquito last night when I was trying to go to sleep. It was just buzzing in my ear. And just put the blanket all over me, and then that was it. Bit me a couple times, but that was it. Oh yeah, neglect. All right, pound yen. What are we doing over here? 30-minute candle closing in about, what, 13 minutes? We got NY open coming up. Last CPI broke the low and the high. Yeah, last CPI was not bad, not good trading wise. Activated the sell stop and then the buy stop. Okay, yeah, we're just waiting over here. CPI, CPI, CPI. If you sell GG after 15-minute candle breaks the low, yeah, if you do break below 154.650, that makes sense. Oh, I might have to go over here. I might have to leave. I'm just waiting on time. "25 minutes. 25 minutes, okay. All right. Sir, one question. Those past weeks got some struggle with losses, identifying if it was just probability or made a mistake. Analyzing, could you give some explaining on how to correctly difference between them? If you had losses last week, go over those losses and look to see how could you have had a profitable trade? How could you have had a a better entry? Was it a late entry? How could you have been in the correct way at that point? And then look where you entered and then differentiate between the two. That's the best way to do it. Differentiate between the two. You're going to find an answer to that. Whenever I take a losing trade, sometimes it's just probability. Sometimes, things look perfect and I take the trade and I can see it's just probability. But most times you see that, okay, maybe you ignored a 4-hour time frame or a 1-hour time frame. You ignored something somewhere there. There's always something there. So without looking at a loss there, I can't really tell you what that was. But if you want, you can send me the chart privately too in the Slack group. When trading news, I apply buy stops above the current market and sell stops below. If that's what you do, that's what you do. Is CPI like NFP? No, different. How do we trade news? You don't trade news. The trend is bullish on what pair? I have no idea. Someone is trying to expose you. Exposing what? Not sure. Do you look for macroeconomics? No, I don't. Any trade for CPI? CPI is not even here yet, so how can we trade for CPI? Man, oh man. Uncle Ted, do you have planned to come to Pakistan? This guy is so afraid of flying. Even if I sent him a business class ticket, yeah, see, not necessarily. Oh man, I'll probably ship him on a boat. Is QBanks legit? Yes, he is a person. He exists. Previous 5-minute candle is a doji. Can be better way to look at it. I don't look at 5-minute candles, so I don't know. We're about to close. Hour is about to close in about 8 minutes. What's the first thing you bought with your profits? I don't know. I didn't make profits to buy stuff. I don't know. I didn't make profits to buy stuff. Would you take a sell now in GJ if we break the low? If we break the low here, yes. The first person to say I'm the best wins $100 today in the gulag. Yeah, we're just waiting for the NY Open to happen so that we can continue on down. All right, we got one winner. All right, guys, stop. Stop writing I'm the best. We already got a winner. Man, this is the gulag. I forgot. These guys are just going to keep going now. Someone already won. Just chill. Chill out. Just chill. Mr. Saksham Sharma. Mr. Saksham Sharma won. Guys, just stop. The winner is already here. Just chill out. Saksham Sharma. Man, you guys don't give up. That's why you guys are all in the gulag. He's in a Slack group too. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, Josh donated $100. So this is sponsored by Josh then. Awesome. Just waiting for Saksham Sharma to. Yeah, okay. He's in the Slack group. Awesome. Yeah, just send me your email and then we're gonna hand over your prize money to you. Congratulations. Clapping. All right, gold is breaking up over here. I think we can continue on pushing up at this point. Beautiful. All right. Don't spend it all at once. What did he win? I missed the whole thing. I think I was talking to Ted. He won $100. Please take a look at Shiba Inu chart. Shiba has already gone. What does a general day look like for you? Like trading, going out, extra business? I can talk about today. What today looked like for me. I woke up. Went to the washroom, went to the gym, came back, had breakfast, looked after my son, answered some emails, then it was lunchtime, had a protein shake, took a nap, woke up, cleaned a dirty diaper, and now we're here. That was my day today. Yeah, we're moving up over here in gold. 1776 coming up. 1776 coming right up. Pretty exciting day today. Please check the rewind. I said it first. Okay. The prize has already been sent. So go fight with Saksham Sharma. Did Sharma get his money? Yes. What is holding you off of buying gold? Is it because CPI is coming up? I already am in gold buys. I'm up about less than a pip. Oh, I'm up in 1 pip at this point. Yeah, I bought super late. I bought somewhere right over here. I'm already in gold. Looking at price to continue up. Not in a whole lot of profits, you know, but, you know, I got late because I was doing this stupid $100 competition over here. I would have been up like almost 7 pips right now. I have an idea. If you want to be passing around a couple $100 like that, would be nice. If you ask some question about previous day's stream, that would be nice too, just saying. Yeah, it'll be nice if you were giving out the money, but I'm giving out the money. All right, let's go. GJ sells. Yeah, I'm probably going to wait for GJ close right here. I have to wait. Trade idea for today. Let's take a look at this. This is a sell right here, taking a sell, price to go down, 45 pip goal. Yeah, makes sense. This does make sense. Got stop loss right up over there. I think some people entered sells right here on pound yen to continue down. This wick is the only thing that's keeping me away, and obviously the gold buy I'm in. That's keeping me away. But yeah, it should continue till 154.500. If you have two opportunity for trade at the same time, different pair, will you enter both on different pair? No, I'm only going to enter one. Only going to enter one. So I'm only in gold. How will you manage risk on gold? If it comes below 1773.30, I'm going to manage risk. But yeah, should be pretty good. You know, because if it's breaking above this area, it shouldn't have any reason to come back down in this area over here. It should, the next NY open should probably pull back and then continue moving bullish before CPI. Yeah, I'd like that outcome. I think that would be a really good outcome. Raja buying at the high at this point. Yeah, I know that much, but my risk is managed. So I mean, you know, it should. I mean, we'll see. When do you look to manually exit a trade to prevent a full trade loss? If it comes down till like 1773 and closes below this area, then I'm going to look to manually close. Yeah, that's going to be where I'm going to manually close. Because this is a resistance right here and candle broke above this area. So now it needs to stay above this area. Second thought, I should have just waited for CPI, but it's fine. All right, there we go. We have the new NY open candle starting now. It needs to wick down and then move up. If it moves up without wicking down, I'll take that as well, no problem. It's going to be no issues. Let's see here. What's this? All right, we're moving up over here. Beautiful, beautiful, like this. Oh, like this very much. Beautiful. All right, guys, look at this. We're moving up in the world here with gold. I think buying the high over here was a pretty good idea as we broke above resistance. Should continue bullish. 1773, 1774, should get to 1775. Yeah, pound yen is just incredible over here. Pound yen also closed below this area, should continue. I mean, if we break below 154.600, should continue bearish. Yeah, I still think with the volume coming in for NY Open, we should move bullish. Looking at the Chinese indicator, it's still telling us that dollar is weak, which is pretty good. Dollar is weak. We'd like to see that as well. That works in our favor very, very much. We are moving up over here. Yeah, pretty nicely so far. Running up at about 9 pips over here, 6 pips on one position. Oh, 1774. Tap into 1775. We should be doing that soon. Otherwise, I think this trade is going to come out as a break-even trade. Your trading style, poor risk management, and catching swift and small pip movements with a decent lot size on smaller time frame. Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. Proper risk management is a very, very important term there in your sentence. How do you see whether the price will go down or up on GJ? I see price will go potentially down on GJ. Not necessarily up. Oh, look at that. Up almost 10 pips on one position. Secure this. 2500 secured. This is this one. We should tap into 1775. Oh, 1774, 94, 94, 94. Can we get to 1775? Oh, no. 1774, 85. 85. Should tap into 1775. 1775. Let's take a look at. Oh, 1775 reached. Very nice. Beautiful. That position is still open. Pound yen is coming down. The thing, what's wrong with pound yen is that the trend is bullish and it's coming down. That's what kind of like, oh, damn. Gold is really pumping and dumping over here. All right, secure this right here as well. Beautiful. Very nice. Beautifully done. Made about 5,400 here. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. If I didn't run that dumbass competition, would have been up like around 20 pips at this point. But had to do that competition over here. Wow. Awesome. So whoever got the trade on gold, after we broke above this area, give yourself a round of applause. We did again. Gulag had a win yesterday, had another win today. So very nice. Thank you so much. Does your analysis work on crypto? Talking about crypto, we're actually about to launch something in regards to crypto. I think it's going to be an amazing thing. I know there are a lot of things running with crypto, but I think under the Market Fluidity brand, this whole crypto thing is going to be, I think it's going to be wonderful. I think it's going to be wonderful. This is only going to be for people who only do crypto. I'm not going to be doing crypto because I do Forex, but this is going to be something I only do crypto. Raja coin, no. It's something different. Man, oh man, oh man. This is insane. What an amazing call here on gold. Lower Dominion market spreads on crypto. We'll see. Something like that. We'll see. Wow, crazy move here in gold. Just before the news. If you got this trade before the news, man, you're done. This is over now. Done. Trading is done for you. Look what happened. Came with the charts at 6:30, 6:30, 7:30. Waited an hour and a half to take this trade. Right? Waited an hour and a half to take this trade. And what a beautiful trade we got today. What a beautiful trade we got today. Amazing. Will you enable Ethereum deposits again? Yes. We're going to ping our team and then we're going to see if we can get that back on today. Well, back on maybe by the end of this week or next week, start of next week. I got 3 straight wins today and I'm happy. Beautiful. Man, we had just amazing moves over here. So nice. Oh, looks like Josh has gone to get his 102nd TV. Awesome. Oh, he's back. Locked in 10 pips on gold. Amazing, bro. Please don't stop these lives. It's a game changer. But the lives are going to be stopped in November for 2 weeks. I'm going to be busy. Wali Baba sell gold? No way. Wali Baba sell gold.
तो मेरे गुरु जो हैं वो कहते हैं कि यार अगर मच्छर जो है वो आपसे 1-2 कतरे खून का पी ले
Oh wow, he sold gold.
हमारा एक फिर 1845 का लेवल.
Damn, Daniel. Yeah, he wasn't my mentor. I take my words back. Why would you sell when it's moving bullish? This is why people lose, man. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This is, what the hell is this? Buy 0.75. You had a win over here. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. He's anticipating gold to drop. Well, here's the problem. Here's the problem. Instead of anticipating something to drop because it's moving so up and it's at a very high resistance, why not look for opportunities where you can ride that move all the way up wherever you think it's going to go, right? That's better, because I used to do the same thing. I used to say that, oh yeah, I'm going to try to look for the drop, I'm going to do this, I'm going to look for the bigger resistance. So now I changed my whole thing. Yeah, I lost 200k thinking that stupid way. Yeah, I lost a lot thinking like that as well. We're about to tap into 1776 over here. 1776 is coming up. Oh, 1776 tap! Amazing. Very, very nice move over here. We've reached the target. What was this target based on? Oh yeah, right here. Resistance on the 1 hour time frame. 1776. Amazing move here today. You guys have witnessed the power of trading with the trend. I'm pretty sure someone is holding a gold sell, and I think you're going to learn your lesson once here now. Holding a gold sell when price is moving up is not a good idea. Shouldn't do that. Wow, very nice. Looks like now we're coming up into a rejection zone over here till 1778. GJ is just, yeah, screw GJ.
So the thing with GJ, I think the 1 hour is gonna form support, and then it's gonna continue going on up. That's why we're struggling right there.
Yeah, that's what I think too, because it's in a heavy uptrend, which is why it's important to wait for support to possibly go up. Guys, does gold have good trading session? Well, Mr. Gaming Space GS, I think you should stick to gaming. This is a whole different thing. In your opinion, do you think it's a liquidity for good numbers of CPI? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know, and I don't care, because my trading is done. Wali Baba is giving important predictions. Yeah, of course he is. He's in drawdown right now. He's in a 40 pip drawdown. This is absolutely scary to trade this way, because
अच्छा आज USD strong होगा, market maker move से पहले stop loss hunting.
Because if you're predicting on news and you're trading that way, I mean, look at this, right? He's got a $1,700 account. He's on a 0.01 lot. There are people who are following him. Man, this is just insane. Yeah, I just don't know. You should trade that way. That's a bad way to trade. That's a bad way to trade. You should. The best way to trade is just trade with the trend. Can't fight the trend. Can't expect. What if price goes up? What if there's a spike up? Then what?
अगर वो मुझे यहाँ पे कहीं पे नजर आ गए.
Okay. Oh, he gave me his WhatsApp number, and I'm gonna message him today. Let me message him right now. I'm gonna message him right now.
चलो, ये एक ट्रेडर थे हमारे, उन्होंने ये बताया था
Wali Baba.
कि हम जो है वो वॉल्यूम के ऊपर जो है ना वो
I have his WhatsApp. Wali Baba.
मैं देखता हूँ अगर वो चलो इतनी देर में हम उनकी जो है ना वो गुफ्तगू सुन लेते हैं. कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं.
I just sent him a voice audio. Wali Baba. His name on WhatsApp says urgent calls only.
And that's everyone.
My thought process. Hey man, how's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Pretty good, man.
So where would the entry have been on this gold move if you didn't get in? I see there was no wick down, so I'm trying to figure out where would the best entry have been.
Honestly, I was looking for to enter right here as this candle broke above the previous candle and the break above this area. So I wanted to enter right over here at 1773.42. Yeah, so right here, if I look to the 15-minute time frame, I wanted to enter somewhere right here. Almost like 4 pips before I entered. You know, because we broke above this area and like, you know, if they're anticipating, I don't know, like gold was in an uptrend. I've seen it move this way before. I was counting on the fact that we're moving in pre-New York volume and NY Open is about to start. So that's why I wanted to enter right over here and anticipate price to move up since we had like, you know, clean candles to the left-hand side right here.
So getting in position before the hour close doesn't really too much worry you?
Not necessarily, because the next hour open was still with a lot of volume, and even if it moved against me, I wouldn't have let it move below the previous candle low, right? Because the next candle can have a lower wick, and if it's going to have a lower wick, that wick should, like, you know, look something maybe like this.
Right.
Yeah, but not to break the previous low.
Sounds good. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Could you bring Tori back to talk about XRP? Yeah, I can talk about XRP right now. It's going to go to $10 and $15 and $20. That's it. It's going to go up. Like all crypto talk ends with, yeah, it's going to go up. You got me locked in. Boston BMN, man, Boston BMN, it's the best. So true. Everything he says is just true. 100% true. Boston BMN.
Trying to 1780.
Yeah. 1778, 1779.
Yeah.
1780. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got this big wick over here.
This is exactly the scenario we were talking about yesterday on the daily.
Yeah, that wick over there.
Unfolded. Yeah, the whole thing unfolded.
Exactly. Just like you talked about yesterday.
People can rewatch, and we like now we have more probabilities to break above 1780 in the next days and go to the weekly level that we were also mentioning. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Will you post this trade to IG annotated? It's better because it's right here. You can just rewind and watch it. Wali Baba sent,
134.
Wali Baba sent me a voice now.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अच्छा अभी लाइव सेशन चल रहा है, मैं अभी इसको जो है ना अभी एंड करके ना फिर मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes. Wali Baba responded to me. Yeah, we're gonna connect.
So Raya, you're looking for the Rolex now?
Yeah, I have one, but I didn't do much research.
Because you can install Chrono 24. You know that app, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, Chrono. I have XRP in Binance Secure. I have XRP in Binance too. And Shiba. Oh, Shiba Inu. Looks like we're going to tap into 1777 over here. Today I'm gambling for 1K account. I'm short position in GJ. Have 35 lot. Nice. What's the email address to get Magic Keys with Dominion Market commissions? Email the support team or incentives@dominionmarkets.com. Biggest thing with crypto is no one is actually taking money out of the market. That's correct. Today, also make a small giveaway. We actually did do a giveaway that was sponsored by Josh, as you can see on the top. $100 were sent in, and then we gave that away to somebody. GJ looks very bad. Yeah, GJ looks ugly, man. GJ just looks so ugly. GJ looks like when you wake up after a night of partying. That's what it looks like right now. Unless someone's in sales at this point, in profits. Other than that, I don't think anything on GJ. Thanks, Chief. If it wasn't for you and Raja, I would still be a noob trader. Oh, you're welcome. Are you done for the day? Yes, I'm done for the day. I'm in on GJ still. I'm not jealous that I'm not jealous that you entered gold. Maybe done for the day. Not at all. Nice. All right. If gold is bullish, you must sell, be a man. Are you going to straddle gold for CPI? No, I'm not. I'm already done for the day. Can you show how you enter trade gold? Yes, rewind the YouTube stream. Gold playing Squid Games. That's true. What's your economic background? I know you worked in banking. I worked in finance. Oh, if price doesn't do something you like, close the charts, come back. That's correct. Yeah. When you say you are done, would that mean there's absolutely zero possibility a potential good setup allow you to enter the trade? That's correct. You have to be man of your word. So if I'm done for the day, I'm done for the day. What are Magic Keys? Magic Keys is a risk management tool that we developed for traders that use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, so that you can manage your trades much better. This is the website for Magic Keys here. Go to the website right here and check out some of the videos we have on the Instagram page. Instagram right here. Let me post the link here for the Gulag right here. Go get one. Get yourself a copy of Magic Keys. There's software and physical available. Physical is the best. This is the best.
Raja, do you does Magic Keys have guarantee?
Guarantee?
If it's wrong, guarantee,
Yeah. We have a 14-day return policy.
No. It's been like 3 months since I bought it, but some of the buttons are not working.
It's been 3 months. Yeah, it depends on how hard you press them and stuff like that, right? Because it's a technical thing. I've had this one since we launched, and every button still works.
Yeah.
Poi verrà okay.
Yeah.
Poi verrà okay.
Oh, yeah. So if you're like smashing buttons, like really quick, like punching them, of course it's going to break something inside, you know. But send an email to Magic Keys and let's see what we can do. Are you planning to buy Pakistan Airlines? No, it's way too expensive. Haven't reached that level yet. Are you in gold buys? I was. Not anymore now. Let's see here. I like smashing buttons. We got CPI in about 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Would you suggest MT5 Pro account over standard? Yes, Pro account. Standard has higher spread, so that's why. What makes Dominion Markets better than other brokers? You know, when we launched Dominion Markets, this was a big question in my mind. And the biggest question was, why would somebody switch over to Dominion Markets? Except for the fact that, like, you know, it's new, and all that stuff. Like, why would someone who's already on a brokerage would switch to Dominion Markets, right? The big reason, the question was why? What would it make it different, right? So the one thing was that we have MT5, which is also on other brokerages as well, but like mainly coming from a crypto perspective, crypto brokerages, they don't have MT5, you know, so that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to have MT5, which is still supported by MetaCodes. Believe it or not, MetaCodes have stopped supporting MT4, so if you're still on a brokerage that doesn't have MT5, I think this would be a really good opportunity to come with something that has MT5. The second thing was, the main selling point was incentives, right? What can we provide to clients to incentivize them to come to Dominion Markets, which will make it different, right? And the biggest thing was that when you trade on other brokerages, you pay commissions. If you look at your history, right, you pay commissions, right? So over here, you can use those commissions to purchase market fluidity, right? So in a way, you're trading, but when you're trading, we want you to win, and that's why you can use commissions to get market fluidity, get better at trading, learn trading, because believe it or not, when you're a better trader, you're more prone to stay at one brokerage for a long amount of time. And when you stay at a brokerage for a long amount of time, that means there's more revenue for us as a broker, right? At the same time, you can use your commissions to get magic keys, right? So the commissions are right here. So you go to history, you see the commissions you pay to trade, right? So let's say someone has paid $350 in commissions. They can email Dominion Markets and say, hey man, I've paid $350 in commissions. I would like to get magic keys. And we'll say, okay, perfect. We're going to ship you out a magic keys. Or if you have paid, let's say 500, you can get, hey, I want to get access to market fluidity. And then you can get access to market fluidity. That's what we want it to be. That's why we want it to be different than everyone else. you know, that's why we had this commission incentive structure. We have 3 minutes for CPI now. 3 minutes. I don't pay commissions on IC markets because you may be on a standard account. Where can we see how much commissions we have? If you don't know how much commissions you have, I don't think you should be trading. I don't think you should be trading. But till now, I think we've given out 100 and I think the number was like 120, 130 magic keys through commissions. We've given around, I think maybe like 60 market fluidity subscriptions so far. So yeah, it's been pretty good. All right. So CPI is coming up. Will CPI move GJ? It may have a little bit of an effect. Not a lot.
जी जी रकील भाई, बस मैं डिफेंस से थोड़ा सा पीछे हूँ, इधर कोई रूट शूट लगा हुआ है, सख्त रश है। जैसे ही मैं डिफेंस में एंटर हुआ मैं आपको एक मैसेज करूँगा बस।
All right, perfect. All right. Guys, late. All right, we got 2 minutes left. Let's see what's going to happen. Does Dominion Markets have zero spread account? No, we don't. There's no such thing as a zero spread account unless there's a ulterior motive. What do you think about using diversion in trading? I don't use diversion in trading. Okay, so if someone's trading CPI with buy stops and sell stops, what I would do is I would place buy stops above 1777. Actually, let me go one step further. I would have buy stops above 1776 and maybe sell stops around, it's very tough, 1773. But I'm not trading at this point. I'm just going to watch the CPI and then we're going to be done for the day. Oh, damn. Holy. All right. Let's see what goes on over here. Buy stops above 1776. Close to 1777. Above this wick over here and below this wick, sell stops. Sell stops and buy stops. Let's see where we go. This is a mental trade. Oh, damn. Both got activated. Whoever had buy stops got activated. Sell stops also got activated. Some roundhouse kicks happen here with gold. Yeah, same thing that happened last month here with CPI. Buy stops activated and sell stops activated. See what happened with Alibaba over here.
राइट, तो चलें जी, देखते हैं जी। 1 minute.
1 minute. Damn. Let's see what were the numbers. Let's take a look at the numbers here. Yeah, screw CPI, man. Never trading CPI over here. Let's see.
Numbers shouldn't be good.
Yeah, I mean, if it's pushing bullish, oh, wow, nothing. It's just spiking up and down. So tough. Numbers are good. Oh, nice. We're in a very, very heavy uptrend, though. I'm trying to deposit to Alberta. Should I do fiat or crypto? Fiat also works. Crypto works better. Yeah, numbers are good. Going down. This is the area we broke. So I guess if we break below 1773, we should be coming bearish. As we have seen the last week, the news goes with the overall trend mostly. That's also correct. Yeah, broke below the low, should continue bearish. Pretty sick. Whoever got these buys over here, amazing. But yeah, I guess positive news should push it. Bearish here. Oh, someone's in sells from 1776. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Wali Baba's prediction. Dangerous prediction over here.
कि समझ लग जाए तो इस पे भी मैं आपको समझाता हूँ न्यूज़ पे भी.
A very dangerous prediction. Look at that. It's coming down over here now.
एक मिनट जरा मैं इसको यहाँ पे ले आऊँ.
A 40 pip drawdown.
चलो अब इधर हम देखते हैं ना इसको न्यूज़ को कि इनका जो है यानी सबसे पहले जो इनकी जो न्यूज़ हैं यानी कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स 280 यानी 280
very high. Yeah, this stayed the same core CPI. This was very high over here. So yeah, it was expected to continue down. But this is a very strong support here as well. Nice. Ooh, what a drop. Damn. Trader TV live, very good YouTube stream, very nice. What happened to pound yen? Pound yen is just struggling over here. So it looks like sell stops. Oh shit, looks like sell stops won over here. But buy stops also got triggered, but what the hell? Crazy. 60, 70 pip move. Corrected the entire push. Yeah, corrected the entire push after London Open we had. The entire push. So maybe this was a liquidity grab for price to continue down. Oh shit, 1766. Wow, just dying over here. Wali Baba is pretty happy at this point now. 40 pip in profits. Take a look on the daily. Daily is just rejecting that area there. Weekly is also rejecting. Straight down on the 4-hour time frame. So we did complete this whole thing over here, right? We came up, clean candles to the left hand side, came up. So I guess positive news just corrected the entire move from the London we had.
And the day's it's not over yet, so.
Yeah, we still got NYSE, still got London close. Wow, this thing is just dying over here super hard. 100 pip drop. Look at it, he's up 70 pips at this point now, up $9. Good for him. Stop loss was way up there. Lost profits on Euro. But why would he buy Euro USD and sell gold when they will move the same way with the USD outcome? What would you want to see to try and get in on this move with gold? Nothing. It was the news. What's this here? He has no emotions. Okay, sorry for asking this, but what stopped you from entering a sell after the news came positive? I already took trades. I had buys on gold. Would you buy now? No. Why would I buy now? Absolutely not. Yeah, but this was a super sick move over here. Amazing CPI. What's GJ up to? G is rejecting that area, possibly to continue up. If all players want to stop the game, we can do it. Who wants to stop the game? We can all stop the game. You're the only guy who buys at the high and still wins. Wow, it was just the trend. Yeah, this is a crazy move down over here. Anyway, congrats to everyone who caught the sells. Really happy. Congrats to everyone who caught the buys earlier on. Very beautiful. Wow, this is still dropping.
People they say, "Oh, go down to 1734." It is still go.
Yeah, still going over here. Millionaire Yvonne. Wow. Coming right here in this consolidation area. Anyway, I'm going to head off here, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Congratulations for everyone who made money today on buys, then sells, or both. Amazing. Take care, and we will see you tomorrow.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Roger.
Same time, same channel.
Thank you, Raja.
Thank you, everybody. Take care. All right. All right, pussycats. What the fuck?
Let's go.